ready to embark on the ultimate Minecraft adventure of discovery. Let's dive into how you can unearth hidden treasure right here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Our treasure hunt begins with finding a treasure map. These elusive maps are most commonly found within chests in shipwrecks, those iconic broken-down vessels you'll spot scattered across oceans. Keep an eye out for them in coastal areas or while exploring the deep blue. Once you find a shipwreck, break into its chests. Inside, you might just discover a treasure map. This map is your key. It's a stylized version of your current world, with a specific spot marked by a bright red X. Now, the real work begins. You'll need to orient yourself using the features on your treasure map. Look for distinctive landmarks like islands, specific ocean biomes, or even coastlines that match the image on your map. This will clue you in on your general location. Once you have a good idea of where you are in relation to the map, start exploring the suspected area. Often, the treasure is buried on islands or along coastlines. Let's say your map points to a sandy shore. Head there and hold up your treasure map as you explore. As you get closer to the X, the map will begin to update, showing your position. When you are directly over the marked spot, the map will show your player icon right on the X. Now, it's time to dig. Grab your shovel or pickaxe and start excavating. Keep digging downwards, and you'll eventually unearth the buried treasure chest. These chests are packed with valuable loot, from iron and gold ingots to enchanted books and diamonds. Congratulations, you found your treasure. So, next time you're exploring Minecraft Bedrock, don't forget to seek out shipwrecks. Those treasure maps are your ticket to some amazing loot. Happy hunting!